But the thing that is very important in trading is to keep, like a cold head. Okay, so you have to keep cool at any moment, especially when you are trading other, like other financial instruments. What I want to show you today, because I have time and because we don't have, tomorrow's trading is a little bit, like quieter. So I'm going to show you a strategy that should work, and that usually works. Like it usually works wonder. Okay, so this strategy is very simple. The strategy is about inside bar. Okay, the inside bar trading. Okay, so I am going to show you a simple strategy that can give you a clue, and that usually works, and it works more than it doesn't. Okay, so the simple strategy to know where a price, or what is the potential for price to move, is to apply the inside bar strategy. So this is one of the best strategies to use, and it has worked, and it works, and you can test it. I mean, you can look, like you can look around, or just do a quick, like a Google search, and you'll find lots of information about this strategy. Because I just want to do a short video today, but I'm going to show you why we might have, like a very interesting position, on the Bitcoin. Okay, and this is purely technical. I'm not a Bitcoin fan or anything. I invested some of my money on Bitcoin. I have, like a couple thousand on Bitcoin, but that's it. I'm not a huge promoter of Bitcoin or whatever, but I know the value. The value of Bitcoin. I know why it's valuable, because it helps. It allows you, like to do transactions much easier. Like it's much easier to do transactions, and this is something that no one can deny. Like, anyways, let's get started. Let's get 100% technical. So I'm going to show you something. So here, price. I'm going just to tell you a formula that you can that has worked, like just lately it worked on Audi New Zealand. If you want to see it, I can show it to you, but we are going to waste time. Anyways, you can look for Audi New Zealand, and you will find, like almost the same setup. You can look, like to other pairs, and you will also find the same setup. Anyways, let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to show you a simple formula. So the range inside bar, and I'm going to write the potential is 2 to 5 times range inside bar. And let's put it a little bit smaller. So 2 5 times. Okay, so this is going to be our formula. I don't expect you to trust me. Just go look around. I'm talking about, like these are statistics. And if you are any serious about trading, you are not just flipping a coin. You base your assumptions on statistics. Statistics on, like stocks, Forex, commodities, etc. So this is a strategy, and this strategy, or these statistics are this data, or the 2 to 5 times, is based on statistics. You can go look around and you'll find it. I'm an engineer myself, and when I trade based on data. I don't trade based on, like what I heard about this, about using rumors or things like that. Okay, I use pure data, and these are data. Historical data shows that inside bars work that way. So here, how much did we get? So we had 6,100 approximately to 7,000, 7,500 or 450. How much did we get? I mean, the potential 3,000. We got 3,100 from 6,100. So it's almost 3,000. Okay, 3,000. How much did we invest? Okay, a little bit less. So we had 2 times. Okay, almost 2 times. Yes. So 2 times, and this is not a big. I mean, I think it's 2 times. You have to do the calculation yourself, but I think it's 2 times. It's almost 2 times. Yes, 2 times. So we had 2 times here. 2 times. 2 times the range, which is good. 2 times the range here. And here I'm going to show you our trade. I mean, the trade that we have to focus on. Let's do it. It's this one. Okay. I was waiting. I'm still waiting because I am bullish. Why? Because of this impulse. Okay, I will show you. I don't know if you have an idea about, I mean, Elliott waves and things like that, but this is an impulse. Okay, this is a huge impulse. This is an impulse, and I was not bearish because this looks like an impulse, and this impulse, I mean, price, this is not a fakey. I mean, this is not a fake impulse. This is an impulse. This is a real impulse. I mean, because of the shape of the candles, etc. Sorry, always make this mistake, and I have to change this to this. Anyways, here you go. Here you have your inside bar. Okay. So how much did we get? 9,300 to 12,300, almost 9,300, 12,000, $3,000. Okay, $3,000 range here. 3,000, $3,000 range. Okay, here we have a $3,000 range. And how much did we? I was waiting here because I'm bullish, and I was expecting it to just, like maybe make, make after 2 or 3 candles. I expected it to break to the upside. And here we have 3,814. Okay. Let me write it. So we have 3,000, and then we have 9,300 to 4,000. Well, 3,800. How much? Okay, 800. Remove the 3,500, 3,500, and 9,000. 3,500 and 9,000. It's 5,000, and this is the important number. 5,500 dollars range. Okay, here. So what we have here, not yet 2 times the range. Okay, so it's not yet 2 times the range. Plus we have another hint. What is the other hint? Easy. Wick. Wick means that price has not been confirmed. Okay, I'm not going to do, like a course or a trading course here. I'm just showing you, okay, the potential. Just say that the wicks mean, or would mean that, like price didn't break decisively to the downside. Okay, what does it mean? It means that this week is a bullish sign, and if it's a bullish sign, it means that all this breakout is just a fake breakout of this inside bar. And what is the next message that we are getting? The next message that we are getting, or that we should understand, or that the market is telling us, is that if we get inside this range, and this is what we are going to do, look at how price is reacting aggressively to this range, right? Look where it was, it got, you know, like pushed down. Okay, it was very strong. I mean, it went down, but then it went up very strongly. And where did it stop? It stopped right at the, you know, like the lowest boundary, or the inside bar range, because it's like, it's a psychological level, because the extremes of each month, especially when it's an inside bar, are psychological levels. So if we want to have 3,000 or more than 3,000, we should have 6,000, right? So 6,000, and usually if we were about to break here, so we would have much more than 2 times, I mean, the range, because right now we tried to break, it didn't work. So we expect, or the potential is that we are going to work on all this week. All this week is going to get worked out. Okay, so the potential is above 19,000. Above that I can say nothing, but this is the potential for Bitcoin, and it is done by, you know, like simply doing technical analysis. And if you want more hints or more confirmation, I'll give you a last confirmation. Okay, here is the last confirmation. No need to make it, you know, like too much complicated or overcomplicated. Look at this. What is this? This is a swing. Okay, where is this? This is a correction, but this is the impulse. Why? Because we didn't break the low. Look at this. We didn't break the low. What does it mean? It means that this is the first wave, and this is a corrective wave. So here, impulse, first impulse, okay, first impulse here, and here I don't want to use, you know, like numbering of, I don't care, because I'm just trying to teach you how to be rational and how to be objective. You are just objective. You are not being, you know, like, you are not being influenced by people that are saying that Bitcoin is the next whatever, it's the next dollar or whatever. This is purely graphical technical analysis. So here what we have correction, higher low uptrend, here. Okay, so you have it. Now you can let people talk, and, you know, like, and say, you know, like, talk about Bitcoin and give you their theories, etc. But every time they say, they talk and they try to influence you, get back to your screen and get back, you know, like, to something that is and that is objective. Objective, and that is based on data and on statistics. Okay, so good luck to you, and I will talk to you soon, guys. If you liked the video, please share it among your friends, your family, whatever, and just subscribe to my channel.